Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I had the idea, and someone else also suggested it, so I thought I'd do it a little sooner than later, of trying an infinity pour with neon paints, and I'm also going to use some glow-in-the-dark paints. So in this left side cup, I'm going to use yellow, pink, and orange. The yellow and pink are DecoArt, and then the orange is FolkArt, and it's actually glow-in-the-dark itself. So that's that side. On this side, I'm using black, which goes really well with neon, and that's just Artist Loft Flow acrylics. I'm using blue Craftsmart. I'm using green, same thing, the Americana Neon, and then I've mixed that with glow-in-the-dark paint. So the green over here is glow-in-the-dark, and the orange is glow-in-the-dark, and the rest are just neon. Should be fun. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up our cups here, and I'm gonna just layer these. I'm really excited about this. Now black can tend to kind of hide neon sometimes, so we want to be a little careful with it. I'm not gonna use too much. I think that should be fine. And then over here we'll layer our other neon colors. I might actually kind of thinking with maybe throwing in a tiny bit of black over here too. We'll see. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna. Okay, let's just try this. If it doesn't quite come out how I like, I can always do it again. So move everything out of the way. And for anyone who hasn't seen an infinity pour, it's basically a technique I came up with the 2 cups, and all the colors are mixed with Floetrol, by the way. And we're gonna go simultaneously, kind of a bit of a wax on, wax off kind of situation, and overlap them. It takes a little bit of coordination, but it's actually easier than it looks. And at the end, I found it's kind of like makes it a little extra awesome to kind of go a little sporadically. That may have been too sporadic. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tilt this around, and it just gets this really interesting design on there that you really wouldn't get with pretty much any other technique. Halloween is coming up, so this is kind of perfect. This is going to be really funky, I can already tell. Oop. I'm going to run back some of this dark. Okay, so that came out really crazy. I think I may have gone a little too crazy at the end there, but that's okay. It's still a lot of fun. I will probably try one more of these with these same colors, just because they're really cool and it's a lot of fun, and I think I can do it a little better. But let's go ahead and we'll let this sit. I'm curious what cells will pop up. This isn't paint I normally use, these neon colors, and then we'll be back. All right, so we're back. This is so friggin' cool. Look at all these cells that popped up. This just looks like so much fun. And it's got to have some glow-in-the-dark properties in there. I haven't like charged the paint or anything, so I'll have to try that out later. But let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. So here is the lower right-hand corner. You can see all these fun cells that popped up here. I love this pink, and I love the black going through the pink like that. Upper right hand corner, got some of the green in there. Going over to the upper left hand corner. Just, there's a lot going on in this thing. And I think it's a lot of fun. Down to the lower left hand corner. And then back to the overall piece. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I am super happy with how this came out. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you would like to see me do this one more time with this same color combo here with the neons. I think I can do it a little better, but anyways, let me know if you're interested in seeing another one. And otherwise, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.